I'm gonna teach you how to get your memo on your Bitget app. So basically, you don't need a memo on your Bitget app. You just have to open the app, wait for it to load, then you can go on the Wallet tab in the bottom right of the screen, then tap on Receive on the top of the screen, and after that, you can go and search for any cryptocurrency you'd like, and when you find it, tap on it, wait a few seconds, then you got the address. You can copy it and paste it wherever you want to use it as a memo. And they also give you a QR code, which you can also use it. So that's it, guys. I hope today's story was helpful, even though it was so short. But for now, see you on another video. Bye bye.